In order to replace the engine mount, first you need to support the engine underneath. The next step is to remove the 3 bolts that you see right here. We're going to break them loose. These are 17mm bolts. There you go. Now this bolt right here, you do not need to remove that. As you can see, the engine is lowering a little bit. What we need to do is raise it up a little bit more. There you go. Next we need to remove 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, and the third one is right here. Next we need to remove these 3 bolts. In this case they are 14mm bolts. Once you remove these bolts, then you can easily take out the engine mount. Here it is. You can inspect it. If you look carefully on this, look around the edges. Normally when they're worn out, you'll see cracks on the rubber.